Hey, what's up, Andrew? Good morning. So today's the big day for splits. Apple and Tesla splitting today. Nice at the top of Ameritrade it says on October 31st, Apple will split 4 for 1, Tesla 5 for 1. If you own either stock, there's nothing you have to do and there are no fees. That's funny. So cost basis won't change on their page. You know, Andrew, it's hard to say, my friend. It's really hard to say. Um, yeah, it really can go either direction. I mean, Apple and Tesla are kind of on different parts of their story, you know? The Apple story is well mature, the Tesla story is pretty immature. So it's really difficult to say what's going to happen there. Um all right, so let's take a look. So we got Apple up they're at 125, opening at 126, and you've got Tesla 442 opening at 440. So they're going to open a little bit lower. Apple's going to open a little bit higher. EXPI is really the story of the day, though. Tesla is Tesla's a side story, kind of. I mean, it's important, but um, EXPI, the story of the day. This is a rare pattern on EXPI called the high tide flag. And if you're not familiar with a high tide flag, it is a stock that just has tremendous runs. They go over up 100%, about 100% in under 3 weeks, which this one did from 21 up to 42. And then it bases for usually 2 or 3 weeks, and it consolidates less than 20%. And so far, this one has consolidated 14%. Also has very good earnings on EXPI, which is paramount for one of these. Um, so pretty cool. Yeah, they just haven't up. That's what I was talking about earlier, Andrew. They just haven't updated their books based on the split. It'll take place tomorrow. It'd be nice if you could sell and get ahead of them, but it doesn't work that way. So we'll see. EXPI not taking any positions yet, but there are some interesting positions on the table for EXPI. That's right, Andrew. Well, just think of it. That's things to come. That's things to come. It's called a future preview for you. All right, so Nasdaq reversing overnight, getting up pretty good, 12,091, back down at 12,000 right now. So you've had a nice little ceiling at 12K for whatever that's worth. Pretty nice little ceiling there. Market's going to open in about 5 minutes, and we'll see what happens. EXPI 41.99 is the ask, and 41. So, yep, not too much of a change for that one. All eyes are going to be on Tesla and Apple this morning. Probably more likely Tesla. Potential wild Monday. Exactly. And I know stock sold at 17. Is that good? What is NIO doing? 18.50. That's no bueno. $17. Eek. So way the F down here. That's not good. I knew you were thinking that, Andrew. Everyone thinks that. All right, so that is not a bueno sign for NIO right there. Morning, Ethan. Did you already mess up your hair? Go take a look at it. Interesting. All right, so NIL looks like it's gonna drop down this morning. Definitely gonna be a weird day. We've already had a move up and a move lower in the past, I guess 12 hours or so, 16 hours or so. And then, Ethan, you want to pull my blinds there? Open them a little bit. Yeah, pull the one that's up higher. Just that's good. Maybe less. They can see directly in the office now. So pull it down. Okay, somewhere in between there. A little more. There you go. That's good. All right. All right. So what else is on the docket for today? We've got Ellie and I took Foot Locker positions. It's gonna have a little bit of a gap up, and we've been eyeballing Trade Desk. And it's basically gonna open flat. All right. So Nasdaq gonna be an interesting morning. How about Amazon this morning? 3410, basically flat. 3401. Amazon still looking super great, working its way up out of this. That's really good. Again, waiting for EXPI. I think that's gonna be a really phenomenal one. They've got some excellent numbers, and their stock price is just going through the roof. So, yeah, and they've got 60%, 90% EPS growth. Institutional transactions are up 27%. Margin's a little bit thin. Sales growing triple digits past 5 years. EPS quarter over quarter 419%, 60%. Great numbers. 3 billion market cap. So still kind of is in a nice little small market cap range. And the high tide flag to me is just a beautiful, beautiful thing. You don't see too many of them. That's pretty rare. And you really have to pay attention when you do. All right, market's going to open in a little bit. Yes? What? No. No games in the morning. All right. Space Beyond Meat up 3% today. DocuSign, Trade Desk, Amazon, Tesla's flat. I think NIO is down again. 17. Let's see if it's going to come back. Soxelnet, Starbucks, Restoration Hardware, AMD all flat. Amazon loosely positive. All right. Can't ask for too much more. NASDAQ on the right side of the color scheme. There's Trade Desk. All right, Trade Desk, start working, buddy. And what was Tesla's 500, 400, 440? Okay, I have to get used to some new numbers. Could see a lot of selling into new investors today on the REIT, on the institution side of things. Apple up a little bit. So they're both kind of flat. I'm not sure if the volume reflects accurately or not. 100 million. Yeah, it looks like they split the volume and the price. Okay. So the volume should reflect accurately. Yeah, so really not much to do on either of these right now. Thankfully a benign open. Nasdaq positive. So that's a good thing. Beyond Meat turning positive. All right, very nice right there. Go Beyond Meat. GBTC, the Ethereum. I don't think Ethereum is a thing anymore. I'm not sure if you can buy them on the ETF. All right, NIO. Okay. What are these strike prices on Tesla? Looks like Tesla jumping a little bit. Let's see what these strike prices look like. Oh, they're all just normal digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go, Andrew. Keep it up. Andrew, great job. Yeah, no, don't do it. It's not worth it. I know there's information and entertainment value in that statement, but yeah. Keep in mind, they've been doing this 100 years. You've been doing this like a couple of months probably, so they're going to have the upper hand, and they won't let you get the upper hand. That's the general point of the stock market. You never get the upper hand. You just have to deal with our reality low on this totem pole. All right, Amazon doing okay right there. Hey, what's up, Rob? Hmm. Okay, Square up here somewhere. Yes, Ethan. All right, EXPI over here. I'm trying to hawk this thing. James, chill out, bud. Ooh, they added some additional strike prices on EXPI. Very nice. It's about time they did that. They needed to. They only had one strike price out of the money. All right, so already really picking at this thing. KG taking over. Zoom up here. SLV 1.41%. It's pretty good. Tesla, Amazon, chilling. And I know still lower. All right, come on. Come on, EXPI. I'm looking for some information here. Has some good volume this morning. Looks like it may try to go for it. Looks like the Nasdaq's rolling over a little bit. Tesla loosely positive now. AMD flat. Not really a very jumpy day for the markets. All right, DocuSign. Maybe we're watching anything else really? All right, EXPI. Come on, mother. You're not going without me. Seriously, what the hell's taking so damn long? Yeah, you'll find that often happens. All right, so I have to do some math in my head now, which sucks. Fucking Ameritrade and their stupid API. Good volume this morning. I have to use my old spreadsheet. Okay. All right, so it's pretty much the $40 strike price. Yeah, Rob, today's the split day. Today is the split day. Yeah, it's still really good. Stupid Ameritrade, man. Okay, so Beyond Meat taking leadership again. EXPI up here, Space up here, GBTC up 3%. I think Bitcoin's having a good day. Oh, maybe over the weekend. That's why, yeah, because it encapsulates the whole weekend's action. I don't think the Ethereum ETF is even a thing anymore, but Ethereum is doing really well in this environment. Yeah, see, Bitcoin's pretty much flat. ETH's up. Okay, Link turned up. Litecoin's still fudding around a little bit. And Bitcoin pretty stagnant over here at this stage, which is fine. All right, so Tesla is definitively doing nothing. Just a very normal day. 0.82%. Amazon 0.64. AMD a little bit less. Starbucks flat. And NIO trying to come back. How's our Footlocker doing? Oh, not so good this morning. Not so good. Definitely sold off right there. They don't like them opening a store in Compton, I guess. Store artwork, curbside pickup. Cool, cool. All right, Nasdaq doing pretty good. 0.35. Not too bad. All right, let's check on NIO. Trying to bounce back after a pretty good gap lower. Starbucks AMD flat. Pretty boring morning, guys. Thought it was going to be exciting. You guys walked into a history lecture. Oh, Tesla up 2.5 now. Still haven't really seen a big selling event on Tesla. A lot of times in these instances, you'll get a rather large selling event, but no one's selling their Tesla. Not yet, at least. We'll see what happens. So our high was 463.70. And if you remember, we were supposed to split. It was supposed to go back down to about $400, but we rallied since the split by a good amount. Dude, Ameritrade is just fucked up these days. Honestly, it's just not good. Let's start moving money around. Maybe find a service that actually works. E-Trade's been pretty rock solid. Not sure they have an API though. All right, Space. Finding a little bottom here along the 200-day moving average. Small gap up today. Not too bad. Friday's volume was just nothing. Look at that right there. Super low. It's a nice little early sign. Yes, James? Where? How'd you get another Howie? What'd you do? Huh? Don't do that. Well, stop scratching. Be careful. What turtle thing are you talking about? Oh. Be very, if James, it's your leg, bud. You got to be very careful. Oh yeah, Tesla getting up there, isn't it? Nice. Looking at the option spread I was talking about, as you could tell, I was a little confused. So I think it's just multiple different strikes and sell prices, right? Um, yeah. So I mean, kind of what it is in a nutshell is, to use Tesla as a good example. Yeah. So on Tesla, what I did, so I'll explain my trade. So I got, what's my strike? October. So October 16th, I chose this option. It's 46 days out. I got it about 2 weeks ago. And what I did is I bought the 356 call, which is this one, okay? And then I sold the 560 call. So I paid, so this is $12,455, and then I sold one. So I bought this, right? For 12,000. Everyone understands buying something. $12,570. You know, it wasn't whatever it was. And it was $47 instead of $124. So it's now worth $124. I paid $47 for it. And then I sold the Tesla 560 calls, which is way the hell out here. I sold this one. Now, it's weird to sell something you don't own. And that's the quirky part about options that I think a lot of people have a hard time understanding. It's still a little bit weird for me too. But you can actually, without owning any Tesla or anything, actually sell this. And when you do a spread, you're buying and selling simultaneously. So they consider, so when you sell something, you're expected to deliver something, if that makes sense. So here you're expected to deliver 100 shares of Tesla. So if you're going to sell an option, one of two things has to happen. You either have to have 100 shares of Tesla to sell, or you have to have the equivalent in cash in order for you to buy them so you can sell them. Okay? Now, I don't have either, but a spread allows you to buy one option and use it as collateral on something else that you sell. So you're essentially, it's like buying one thing and selling something simultaneously. Which is pretty much what happened. And pretty much what happened. So So I bought for 47 and I sold for 8. So I got about a 20% discount on my Tesla options position is what it is. Yeah, pretty easy. Pretty simple. Sure, Andrew, yeah. Now, the risk to this, now see you see this we're right at 459. So you see this is the 450 strike and the 460 strike. You see the change in color? There's like a purple background, you know. These are prices below 459, these are prices above 459. These are called out of the money. And if you're going to sell an option, most of the time you'd want to sell out of the money, because if this gets to my, what is it, 560 strike price right here, if the price gets to my 560, then I'm going to end up in a precarious situation, not in a bad situation, because see, the funny part about options is this. So I bought this for $8. Okay, now we just split for 5, so I don't know how that comes into play at this one, to be honest with you, but it's now worth 31. I bought it for 8, it's worth 31. And actually, no, I think that's a good representation. I don't think anything really different changes there. So I sold it for 8, but I owe 31 right now. Okay, I owe that because I sold it. Now my other option is up a lot more dollar wise than this is. This is up more percentage wise than that is, but this one's up worth. The other one's up more dollar wise. So if this gets up to my 560 strike, it could be worth. This gets complicated. So this thing expires on October 16th. There's 46 days left, right? So let's take this 560, let's just call it 32 for easy math, and let's divide that by however many days are left, 46. Okay, so we're going to take 32 divided by 46. That means 69 cents. If the price is flat from here on out, every day the value of this option will decline by 69 cents. So Tesla could rally a significant amount, a decent amount before it gets to my 560. And every day this is going down by 69. Sorry, you can't see that. This is going down by 69 cents. Now you can see the difference in the option strike prices here so there's $4 difference here in the actual option price. I'm sorry, not the strike price, but the actual price. $4 difference, $4 difference, $3 difference, $3 difference, $3 difference, and you get down here, it gets to like almost a $2 difference. So what's going to happen as we get towards this 560 is hopefully it doesn't happen too quick, and the time will evaporate whatever this value is, to the point where it gets to 560. This could be worth $0 or $10 or something like that, where I paid 8. So it could be worth 10. So I could only owe a little bit on this, while my other option is just gaining exponentially because of it's down at 356 and we're at 560. So this is declining in value almost the entire time, unless we blow past the 560. So this one right here, if we get to 590 in price, this will be worth $30. This will be worth $30. So it's almost a wash. But all that additional time has evaporated at that 69 cents a day level. And over the weekend, that'll take 3 of those. So that's going to be, better on my side. So by using the spread option, I'm actually able to kind of leverage myself a little bit more. And if I select the spread effectively, which I think I did a pretty good job here in Tesla, ideally it'll expire worthless. But the thing is, if I sell before the expiration, remember I mentioned earlier about this being collateral for that other option that I bought. If I sell out, right now I'd have to pay this $32 right now, where I only paid 8 initially. So, I mean, it's not a huge issue, but it's something to consider. All right, let's check out our EXPI. All right, going for it. What the What the hell? That was so weird. Shit. Okay, so I'm a little late to this ball game. I gotta catch up quick. Yes, my strike prices are getting away from me. Okay, so we're doing.
Daddy, no.
Yeah, bud. Sure. Absolutely.
Did you have the door open or closed?
Just cracked open a little bit. It's fine. Thank you. All right, so EXPI breaking out of a high tide flag scenario here. Not quite a full base, but we'll see how it goes. Tesla up. Beyond Meat bouncing back is good. Peloton, Amazon up 1%. Amazon just coiling really nicely right here. This is very nice on Amazon. This thing just looks better and better. I don't think it can look worse. Like it's not capable of looking worse. It's kind of like Cindy Crawford, you having a bad beauty day? No? Okay, yeah, I accept that. That's what Amazon's chart is like right now. It's like, oh, you having a bad? No, you're not. Okay, cool. Alrighty, XPI, let's freaking get booking here. All right, Nasdaq 0.35%, doing pretty good. Tesla still range bound. KG rocking it, Rob. Finding support down there at that 2 cent level. Actually, pretty good support down there. Could have yourself another nice little pop on KG. Couple 100%. As it is, a penny stock. Does that from time to time. Be a tremendous rally, though, going from 3 cents up to 15 cents at some point in the future. Couple 100%. Not mad at that at all. Tesla up 3%, getting back up here towards highs at the 460 and selling off a little bit. Volume not too bad on the sell-off. Peloton. Check out Peloton. New highs for Peloton right before earnings. Beyond Meat. Where's SLV? All right, SLV starting a little gappy gap. This thing could be curling up in the other direction, starting to go back up in the next couple of weeks, or even this week. So SLV looking really good. I thought we had an SLV trade, but StockShed won't load, so I can't really look at much. Damn it! I need a backup API for this fucking thing. Rely so much on your tools. When they go down, it's difficult. All right, Square. Not too bad right there. All right, so let's look up another one. Let's look up Amazon. See if it loads on Amazon. Maybe it's just EXPI that it's dead on. It gets Twitter, which is weird. My tool defaults to Twitter because that's what we were looking at when we were building it. All right, NIO looks like it's trying to bounce back. Looks like we've basically filled the gap at this stage of the game. I don't think that's necessarily a bad thing. There's my profitability box for NIO. I did another spread here, so I sold these options at 25 and I bought these ones here at 17, it looks like. So not too bad there. Myrna. I heard the Myrna vaccine had some issues on the radio on Sunday, so I wonder if this is reflective of that. Peloton, AMD, still looking great. Still looking great. Square looking good too. AMD, AVTR, Amazon. GBTC, Beyond Meat. All right, EXPI continuing up. And Ameritrade's options API is just trash right now. Freaking trash right now. Even getting into their accounts pretty trashed right now. Yeah, StockShed is destroyed right now. I think it's an API thing with Ameritrade. We didn't like E-Trades, right, Ellie? Look at EXPI, man. It's already taken off this morning. Yeah, it just sits there and clocks. I just think it's not getting anything back from the API. Although it loads Twitter. It loads the Twitter, but it won't load EXPI or Amazon. All right, Tesla coming back down from that 460. Nothing wrong with it. Actually looks fine. What if I can roll just the entire spread on if Tesla just keeps going up like this? What if I can roll a spread? I'll have to call and ask that. That'll be an interesting. So rolling is where you close out of one and then enter into another position simultaneously. All right, NASDAQ 0.38%. Amazon 1.35, getting going here. Come on, Amazon. That looks so good. Just looks healthier and healthier. There's just nothing bad about this chart whatsoever. I don't know. Well, see, Bezos and Musk have some kind of a thing going on. So he's like, man, see, Musk split, so I can't split. See, man. Probably what it's going to do. All right, EXPI 10.25%. I hope it, it's pretty dumb for, I don't know, I think it's dumb for Eli to open his mouth half the time. He's starting to his ego's getting a little bit bigger. But in all honesty, I wish they could just work together. Oh, sorry. Elon. Yeah. You're not Elon Musk? I thought you were Elon Musk. I've been calling you. Yeah. Damn it. Amazon 1.4, AMD 1.3. There you go. Look at AMD with a tiny little cup and handle here. All right, AMD, what are you going to do? Where's my... Oh, this is my option spreadsheet demo. When was the last time someone's been in this? Used to be giving this link out. AMD looks really good right here. Yeah, James, what's up, bud? No, we're not doing any computer or screens before school. And you need to get dressed, bud. Why is that kid walking to school? I wonder if his parent's a teacher or something. It's a kid with a backpack on walking to school. There's a school 2 doors down from my house. All right, so Tesla's selling off a little bit. Beyond Meat back 4.65%. That thing bounced back pretty nicely. Hasn't really blow past the previous high, though. James, chill out, bud. Amazon squares up here, too. NIO bouncing back after being down 7%. Coming back pretty nicely today. Up at 18, down from, looks like just under 17, 16 and 3/4. James, can you stop? James, stop with that. James, I do have a microphone that hears things. Thank you. Really, Andrew? That's sweet. Can I get a first class? You're going to stick me with the luggage. All right, KG, 30%. Ellie, I told you to buy this one. I tell you all the time to buy KG when it's at 0.022. Constantly. Actually proves to be a good thing. Look at that. You got a really nice horizontal flat bottom. Supports flat bottom, Ellie. It's a flat bottom. AMD and Amazon running together. They're best friends. Tesla, Beyond Meat, EXPI doing good. INSG 7%. All right, that's trying to rally through. Not too bad. Not too bad right there. Been able to kind of hold a higher low generally, and looks like it may be trying to start going back in the other direction. Looks like EXPI pulling back a little bit. Peloton, ABTR, Amazon. Yeah, good stuff, man. Look at Amazon. Can I get more money and just throw it in Amazon, please? I just need more money for Amazon. Can I get that? No? Oh, okay. Come on, Amazon. You're pinching. You're just squeezing. Not really pinching. I guess it's more called squeezing than pinching. Pinching sounds cruel. It sounds like something my 6-year-old does to his friends. It's like, ow, stop pinching me. All right, new high for Amazon. 34.55. Let's roll. All right, come on. We need a 20% day today, right, Ellie? 20% on Amazon today. Today. No excuses. Vanguard is down. They must use Ameritrade. Oh, what the hell? Everyone, copy link. All right, everyone right now must go to this link and watch the video, like it, and share it on your Twitter feed. There you go. You'll thank me. It's awesome. Ellie, I think you'll appreciate that. You're right. It is a Twitter link, so it probably is a free crypto link. Yeah. Deposit. Isn't that what DeFi is, though, in the end, too? Anyway. It's hilarious. I'll be quiet so you can listen to it. Did you watch it, Ellie? That thing is awesome. That's my favorite video. That's such a great video. My favorite thing today. All right, market normal. Look at that. Who'd have thought? Who'd have thought normal market today? Everyone's expecting calamity around every corner, but guess what? Nothing changes. Expecting a Lambo? Expecting something. I love that. That is so funny to me. Like, it's the funniest thing in the world. Dude, Ameritrade is just crap today. Holy crap. Absolute garbage. Maybe their systems are being overtaxed by people trying to buy Tesla or something. I don't know. Amazing how stupid people are. What's wrong with leftovers, Andrew? Some leftover. I have the best leftovers. Yeah, see, there's my line for the Nasdaq. We're kind of pegging at the top here, which is nice. Where's my Bollinger Bands? Oh, my Bollinger. Oh, the red's my top Bollinger Band. We're just chilling up there too. Chilling up their top Bollinger. Doesn't get much more Bollinger than that. All right, NAO 2%. Just a good day. Today was a good day. All right, are we missing anything? What else? What else is anyone looking at? MYOK. Pretty low volume still. Facebook up a quarter, consolidating that huge pop the other day. That's just a stupid pop on Facebook the other day. Already consolidating it very nicely. Amazon stalling a little bit up there. Tesla now coiling to go past 460, it looks like, hopefully. I don't know. I just feel like going on vacation for 2 weeks, then coming back and watching everything be up 10, 15% so I don't have to watch it the entire effing time. I mean, the market just keeps on, keeps on. Don't know what else you can expect right now. I don't think too much is going to change fundamentally. The only thing coming up is election, which is a pretty important moment. But at the end of the day, I don't think it will be. I don't think the election is really going to matter that much. Real stock watcher. Berkshire Hathaway. You know, I read an article that Warren Buffett just bought a ton of gold. I don't know if that's true or not, but gold miners, yeah. Yes, I think he has to buy stocks. I don't think he can buy gold directly or something like that. What's that? Axe Decoding Systems. Kraft Heinz. Oh, so that's what he's got. Yeah, he's reduced a lot. Wells Fargo, Visa, VeriSign. Oh, he's got Restoration Hardware. I didn't know that. Well, see, that's scary. Is where the gold businesses? Oh, this is in alphabetical order. Vanguard S&P ETF. Whopping 13 million just one day. Let's buy some VU. I like that symbol. Just 13 million. Where is it? Oh, Barrick Gold. There it is. 618 million. That's nothing. 19 billion in Coke, 32 billion in Apple. Damn. That's enough Apple. 15 billion American Express, Kraft Heinz, Moody's. He's had that forever. US Bank Corp, VeriSign, Visa. Really? He's got VeriSign? Owns 11% of VeriSign? Or that's in his portfolio. No, that's not his portfolio. Oh, he's just started Amazon. Look at that. Oh, he's me buying the crap out of Amazon, guys. That's gonna. When did he start buying Amazon? 2019. So last year. Doesn't have a lot of it. Only at 1.8 billion. He should just invest. He should just invest a ton in Amazon. I don't know why he's not. March 31st. So he did it. Yeah, the beginning of 2019. He's doubled his stake since then. Seems like he should be owning a lot more of that. He's got a ton of Apple. A ton of Apple. Yeah, I mean he has some railroads. He has oh yeah, he's got UPS. Not that much. Only 10 million bucks. Eek. And then he bought a railroad company. He may have just bought it outright, I think, so it may not even be included in this. I don't know. I think this only includes the stock holdings, but not things he's purchased outright. Like you're not gonna find Geico on here. Yeah, see, there's no Geico. He owns all of Geico. Huh. Hmm. Interesting. Warren should buy a bunch of Tesla. Talk about a good shareholder to have. All right, KGKG 31, EXPI 8.6, down a little bit right there. Beyond Meat doing good. Tesla doing good. Amazon 1.86. Amazon Docu and AMD right here, being best friends, best friendsies. I don't know. I kind of no. He's not buying as a joke. He's not going to buy Tesla. He should. He should buy Tesla. They definitely have a competitive advantage. I mean, yeah. I get how Warren Buffett does things. I don't see how he couldn't understand the Tesla business model. It seems fairly straightforward. Sell 10 million cars a year forever at a pretty good profit margin. It sounds pretty good. Energy business is very stable as they get further into energy. Like it actually, even though it's a growth story right now, I think it actually could be in Warren's wheelhouse. I don't know. I wonder what Warren says about Tesla. Let's see if we can Google that. Warren Buffett on Tesla. Here's what Warren Buffett thinks about Tesla. I don't think he likes Elon, but he's done some remarkable things. I said no. It's not for him. Not for Buffett. Huh. Yeah, bud. Are you going on the roof of the turtle house? No. You're on the palm tree leaf? Okay. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. James is freaking out a little bit. Market's stable, doing okay. Tesla's doing okay. So I'm gonna bounce and attend to the kids. You guys have a great day. I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.